Alright, so what is the duty-free allowance for Jamaica? That's the question I'm going to be answering today. Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is a special, what I call Q&A series, where I answer topical questions from my readers. And so today that's a question I'm going to be answering. I typically start by reading the question that came in. And this one came from Marcia in the UK. Her question is, I have a property in Jamaica and is also of Jamaican nationality. I currently live in the UK, and from time to time I will bring things that may or may not be liable for duty. But this is a problem. I have been unable to find a governmental directive online which states exactly what the rules are. An acquaintance told me that you're allowed up to $500 of stuff tax-free. But I read a comment online which states that it's actually $250. What is the true position? Your help will be appreciated. All right. So Marcia, I responded to Marcia actually on the website, and the link to that response is in the description below. So make sure you click on the link to get my full response, right? But for the benefit of you, my viewers, this was my response to her. The $500 is indeed correct. It's $500 or Jamaican equivalent. That's the current allowance at the time of this video, right? And this is on personal household items and what they call gift items. How it's calculated on the total cost of the goods plus freight and insurance. All right, so the cost of the goods plus CIF. So the cost of the good plus freight and insurance is what determines the how much duty should be charged on anything over $500. Okay. Two quick things I want to point out to you though, my friends, is that one, it is recommended that you have your invoice or receipt with you. Very important actually. If not, the cost of your goods is just in the air and it's your word versus mine between you and the custom officer. Make sure you have some documentation on the cost of your goods. Make it easier so they can determine what they call a fair value. All right. And number two, Marcia actually asked for some authority on it, and I don't work for the customs. I just share information as I have it based on my own research. So I did a research. It's actually from the customs website. There is a link in the description to my complete response, and it also shows a link to the custom website, exactly on the custom website, where you can find this information. All right, hopefully it helps. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you stay updated on all my new videos, including the Q&A series. But there's a whole lot more on almost everything Jamaican. Thank you for watching. All the best.